February 17th is National Random Acts of Kindness Day, and I'm going to take a couple of minutes to show you the really simple word rock design that I'm doing to spread in the community on that day. So on this larger rock, I'm taking two different neon Thule Art paint pens, and I'm writing human and kind with two different colors, and then underneath it with a Posca PC1MR, I'm writing be both. I love the simplicity of this design, and I also tend to do something really simple but kind of an impactful quote for National Random Acts of Kindness Day. But I thought this was a really fun way, and you can distinguish human and kind in many different ways. You could do two different colors, you could do print and script. I'm going to add some hologram glitter paint to it to help it make it stand out. But I just love the simplicity, I love the bright colors, and I hope it catches someone's eye in the community. I'm also going to add a quick arrow coming in and out of the words be both, just for a little bit of accent design. And then I'm going to move on to some of my smaller rocks. They're little tiles, I think, that my mom got for me, but I base coated them all black. And then I'm going to take the neon paint pens and make little speech bubbles around the outside. And then I'm just going to write, be a good human, be a kind human. They're just little teeny tiny ones that can be left in very discreet places around the community to remind people to be kind to themselves, be kind to each other, and just be a good human. It seems like all you have to do is turn on the news, and it can be very easy to fall into a bit of a negative spiral with all of the bad things that are going on in the world. But I'm so grateful that I have my little rock hobby that I can grab 7 little stones in an evening, make this very simple design, and it recenters me and reminds me that there's all this good in the world, and I know that all of you are out there spreading good in the world too. And it gives me hope, and I hope it gives you hope also. Don't forget to spread some love on National Random Acts of Kindness Day. Thanks for stopping by to watch, and I'll see you next time. Take care.